Assalamualaikum friends. I'm calling with my nephew. We have a new toy. Toys in Lego. Look at this is unboxing.
It's a Lego Minecraft set. Yes, it is.
Okay,
with a knife and just okay. Come back. Come back.
Come on. Okay, unboxing.
You can't with that. That's short. Yep. There's a cooler and throwing stuff through the window. Then you just open it up and dump it all up.
Information to
Okay,
buy
can you put
this
that in
kit,
the...
I will inform
Is there more? No. Put it.
our description box.
Put it in the table. No, come here. Let me just clap it. Wait, what? I just cannot. Wait. This is the brick separator to destroy any bricks. And there's the real fun part, the Lego. I just need to put these on the side for a sec. How many sets? Yeah, we're looking for some ASMR. ASMR. That's what I'm saying. We have a first brick separator. We're getting that. We're keeping that. No. Are we going to bite into this? Oh. How are you supposed to do?
Be careful.
Okay. Put that in the trash can. Yeah, don't put it.
Kaiser?
Scissors.
Come on.
Okay, we haven't found it. I haven't found the scissors, so just rip it off. That's how you do it. Here's the pieces.
Calm down, kid.
Calm down, kid. Put this in the trash can. I'm just putting it right here. And then put it in the trash can.
Which one's big?
This is the instruction manual. You can just read this.
Instruction. Look at instruction.
It's just a couple layers. Open them up. It looks sick. Look at the instruction. Oh. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna rip them open. Bye. Careful. Bye. I see this one. Yeah, that's the water that. Look, you have to put the water ahead. Okay, put this in the trash. You're the trash man. Yeah, I put
your assistant.
Yeah. Hey, my assistant. Just like Minecraft. Putting stuff in the trash. Yo, this block is weird. The one.
Okay, we solved the problem.
Wait, what? I still don't understand. Shoving this. What? I'm utterly confused. What the? Oh wait, this I make Steve. Okay, I'll make Steve. This makes Steve. Yeah. Is this even allowed? Okay, I find the leg. I find the hand. Who runs this chair? I'm finding his head. Game over, yeah. I see the pickaxe. Talking about a pickaxe. I'm mining on Minecraft. Oh, this is. We need to take a ladder.
My nephew's so busy with
hard.
new toys.
Yeah. What do you
This is
mean?
inspiration from the Minecraft.
It's really hardcore. We all got one leg already. Let's all build Alex. No, okay.
Nah, teman-teman, keseruan para ponakan Bubun yang lagi ngikutin petunjuknya nih ya. Guided booksnya. Wah, seru banget nih.
Oh yeah, does this give you a heart attack? Does any of you getting a heart attack from this? Come on! Why do you have to get jump scared from that? Like, yes.
Linknya ada, Bubun taruh ya bagi teman-teman yang minat ya buat ngasih anak-anak dan ponakan ataupun saudaranya. Linknya ada di description box.
Link in the description. Link in the description, okay? It's linked down below in the description. Pieces, Sabang. We go. Micah, don't do that. And blah. Micah, don't do that. You just need this. We'll make the river. Snapped in place. Snapped. Input. Last one. Oh shit. Snap input. You got. Oh, got that. A fine pieces. And just like we is that the big base plate? Wait, what?
Ya nih keseriusan para ponakan.
Do you get the anger?
Wow. Gimana Bang Pati?
So evil.
Is easy or difficult Bang?
Put. You have lost the pieces.
Nah, ponakan Bobon akhirnya mulai menemukan cara ngedesainnya dengan bantuan buku
I'm making a
petunjuknya.
video.
Gimana? Gimana? Oke? Is it difficult or easy, Nak?
It's not even close to being easy.
Because it's a new one, ya. New experience.
My Legos are different. They're harder and harder. To be what pieces? There's a plate. Wait. Do you have any extra plate? What plates? What plate? You don't understand about a plate.
Udah akhirnya finish juga ya teman-teman. Nah, sekarang saatnya foto-foto.